Welcome to Toolhive. In this video, we'll walk you through the work order management feature and show you how to create and manage your component-related data from start to finish. Before we begin, make sure your Toolhive libraries are set up. Toolhive libraries are where all your reference data lives: components, machines, fixtures, and customers. Your work orders pull directly from this data, so it's important to have it ready. If you haven't set up your libraries yet, watch that video first and then come back here. Now let's get started. In the left navigation menu, click on Work Orders. This is your command center, a live overview of every active and completed job. Use the status filter or the customer search dropdown at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. To create a new work order, click the Add Work Order button in the top right corner. Fill in the work order name, work order ID, and PO reference if you have one, though it's not mandatory. Then select your customer from the dropdown. Choose whether this is a one-time or recurring job, and set your start and delivery dates from the dropdown. When everything looks right, click Create. Your work order is now live, and by default, it'll be set to In Preparation Status. Now let's add a component. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an option to add a component. Click Add, then search your component library by either its name or component ID. Choose the component from the list and click on Select Component. Once added, it appears as a tab on the right panel. From here, you can set the component status, update the quantity, and assign a machine and fixtures, all pulled directly from your library. At the bottom of the panel, you'll find two tabs, Assemblies and Pick List. This is where the detailed tool assembly data can be added, after which the pick list of all bill of materials will be displayed, along with stock location and required quantities. There is also a possibility to add an NC program if required. On the left panel, you have a few more options. You can expand manufacturing time to log time data for the job. Under Documents, you can attach relevant files like component-related documents and drawings, and use the Notes section to track progress, decisions, or anything the team needs to know. When you're ready to move the job forward, use the Work Order Status dropdown on the left. You can progress it from in preparation through to in engineering, in production, and finally completed. Once your work order is active, try switching to the Shopfloor View. You can toggle it in the top right corner. This gives the same data in a layout that's optimized for the shop floor, so operators can quickly see what's running and on which machine. And that's it. A complete work order, from creation to the shop floor in few minutes. Thanks for watching.